Have you ever wondered if light can turn corners like a race car? What if a tiny flashlight could help us solve one of science's coolest mysteries? Grab your detective hat, because today we're going to perform an amazing experiment that will reveal a secret about light that scientists have known for hundreds of years. But here's the challenge. Before the experiment is over, I want you to make your own prediction. Will the light magically bend around objects, or will something surprising happen? Stay with me, because the answer might not be what you expect. Welcome to Funimation 3D, where science comes alive with fun experiments, amazing animations, and exciting discoveries. If you love asking why and how, then you're in the perfect place. Watch until the end, because you'll discover why shadows appear, why flashlights work so well, and you'll even get a fun science challenge to try at home. Let's start with a simple question. When you turn on a flashlight in a dark room, where does the light go? Does it wiggle like a snake? Does it bounce around like a bouncing ball? Or does it travel straight ahead? Think about sunlight shining through your window. Have you noticed the bright beams stretching across the room? Or maybe you've seen car headlights lighting up the road at night. They all seem to point straight ahead. Today, we're going to prove why. For this experiment, you'll only need a flashlight, 3 paper cards with a small hole in the center of each one, a little tape, and a table. That's it! Simple materials can help us discover amazing science. Ready? Let's begin! First, place the 3 paper cards on the table. Stand them up so they stay in place. Make sure all the holes line up perfectly in one straight line. Imagine the holes are tiny tunnels waiting for the light to travel through. Now here's your first prediction. Do you think the flashlight's beam will pass through every hole? Pause for a moment and make your guess. Time for the test! Turn on your flashlight and shine it toward the first hole. Look carefully. Wow! The light passes through the first hole, then the second hole, then the third hole, and finally reaches the other side. Why did that happen? Because the holes were lined up perfectly. The light had one clear, straight path to follow. It didn't need to turn or curve. It simply traveled straight ahead. But wait, the experiment isn't over yet. Now gently slide the middle card just a tiny bit to the side, only a little. Before we shine the flashlight again, what do you think will happen? Will the light find its way through anyway? Or will something change? Pause the video if you want to make another prediction. Let's test it. Turn on the flashlight again. This time, the light doesn't make it through all 3 holes. It stops at the card that moved. Why? Because light usually travels in straight lines. When something blocks that straight path, the light cannot simply turn the corner to get around it. The card is like a wall standing in the light's way. Have you ever played with toy cars? Imagine driving your car down a straight road. If someone suddenly places a giant wall in front of you, your car can't go straight anymore. Light behaves in a similar way. It likes traveling in straight paths. Here's another question. If light can't go through the card, where does the dark area behind it come from? That's called a shadow. A shadow forms because an object blocks the light. Since the light keeps traveling straight, it can't reach the space behind the object. That's why you see a dark shape on the wall or the ground. Now look around your home. Every shadow you see is helping prove today's experiment. Pretty cool, isn't it? This simple idea explains many things around us. Flashlights send light straight ahead so we can see where we're going. Lighthouses shine powerful beams straight across the ocean to help ships stay safe. Traffic lights send bright light toward drivers so they know when to stop or go. Stage spotlights shine directly onto performers so everyone can see them clearly. Now it's time for some amazing fun facts. Did you know sunlight takes about 8 minutes to travel all the way from the sun to Earth? That's an incredibly long journey. Here's another one. Rainbows appear because tiny drops of water can bend and separate sunlight into beautiful colors. Mirrors can change the direction of light by reflecting it. That's why you can see yourself when you look in a mirror. Lasers produce very narrow beams that stay amazingly straight, making them useful for measuring distances and even performing delicate jobs. And here's one more. Astronauts use light in space to communicate, explore, and take incredible pictures of planets, stars, and galaxies. Science is full of surprises. Now it's your turn to become a young scientist. Here's today's Funimation 3D challenge. What happens if you add a fourth paper card with another hole? Can you still line up every hole perfectly so the flashlight reaches the end? What if you move 2 cards instead of 1? Try it safely with an adult and see what happens. Don't forget to make your prediction before every test. That's exactly what real scientists do. Let's quickly remember what we discovered today. We learned that light usually travels in straight lines. When all the holes were lined up, the flashlight beam passed through every one. When one card moved out of line, the light couldn't continue because its straight path was blocked. That's also why shadows appear whenever something gets in the way of light. Isn't it amazing that such a simple experiment can explain so many things we see every single day? Keep looking around you. Every flashlight, every shadow, every ray of sunshine is showing you the same incredible science in action. If you had fun learning today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Funimation 3D for more exciting science adventures. Tell us in the comments if your prediction was correct and what experiment you'd like to see next. Thanks for exploring with us, and we'll see you in the next amazing experiment.